into x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square. So there is nothing common here. It means what has happened with this question? That is, someone has done the grouping wrong and got these groups. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to undo it. Undo it means first we multiply them. Okay. AB x square plus AB plus a square x plus b square x. Okay. So see what has happened till now. What grouping they did? These two they grouped, got this one. These two they grouped, got this one. This means we have to try other grouping. Yes or no? First and second we can't group. Third and fourth we can't group. We have to change the grouping. So which grouping we should have?
Second and third and first and fourth.
Okay, let's try. Which one? First and
Fourth.
fourth. Okay. First and fourth we try. Second and third. Afterwards we will try first and third also. We'll see. Okay. First and fourth if you are trying. So let me rewrite it. ABX square plus B square x plus AB plus A square x. This will be there if we rewrite. Okay. Now what common there?
B and
B.
X.
Bx is common. Okay. What will remain here? A x plus b. This you are going to get. Okay. And here, what is common?
A.
A is common. So what will remain here? B plus ax. Are they same? Ax plus b, b plus x, or different?
Same.
The same.
The same.
Same. Whether you add 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, they are same. So bx, you can write it like this as well. Plus a, if you don't remember, you can write it. Okay. Then ax plus b, common. See, this time we have done the grouping right, yes or no? Into bx plus a. Got the answer? Okay. Now try the different grouping. First and third, second and fourth. With that, are we getting the answer? Check it once. Check it once. So this time we are doing AB x square plus AX, A square x. First and third plus AB plus B square x. Are we going to get the answer or not? Let's check. Okay. What's common here? A x. Okay. What will remain? Bx plus A. Here as well. What is common? B. A plus bx. These are same. So bx plus a common, ax plus b. We can do as well like this grouping as well. Yes or no? Same answer we have got. Same answer we have got. But see, if we group first and second, third and fourth, we are going to get this. And further, so it will be, we will get stuck here. It's a deadlock. We won't be able to factorize further. No common, nothing. So always check whether we are grouping them right or not. Okay. Sometimes if you are, for example, this is the question, you have grouped like this. You end like this, it means you have grouped them wrong. Two terms you have to group, we have grouped them wrong. Okay. Now try next one. Try
So how
next
can
one.
we find that equation is wrong or right?
See here, equation is right or wrong, there's no question. It's always right. Okay. But how to group? Which one we have to group? So first check the numbers. First check these terms. Okay. If we are grouping this one, whether we are getting or not. Okay. So you can do one thing. If you are not able to find, group them. And if a deadlock occurs, you will get this one. No common. It means you have grouped them wrong. Now try with next. Okay. And this will come as you practice more and more. As you practice more and more, you'll be able to figure out which two terms we should group. Okay. Okay. See here. If you are grouping first two, last two, see here what you are getting. What is common? AB is common, x square plus 1 you are getting. Okay. Here, what is common? Only x. A square and b square. You can see you are getting something different. Yes or no? So you are not going to group first and second, third and fourth. Okay. Now try other groupings. Okay. So first keep trying. With practice, you will start to know. By looking only, by looking, you will be able to get afterwards. Okay. So if you are getting wrong, if you are not getting anything common, okay. So try different grouping. Okay, try next one. More you practice, more you will be able to figure out. Okay, so try next one, 10th one. Try next one, 10th one. And study well. After your examination, there will be homework as well. Some part I will be started. Similar questions I am going to give you as homework. Okay, and then next day we'll be discussing the doubts. Okay. So a square plus b minus ab minus a. A square plus b minus ab minus a. Okay, we are having 4 terms, even number of terms. Nothing common in 4, we can't take out. Now try grouping. 2 terms we will group. So which terms we should group? Okay.
So
Can we group first and second?
First and
First and
last.
second we can't. Okay. Either first and third. Yes or no? That also we can do. Or, okay, here I write a square plus b minus ab minus a. Okay, you are saying first and last also. Okay, it means these groups or these groups. Try them. First and second we can't take. You can easily figure out. First and second we can't take. Okay, try them.
So
Then
how
it will
can
be a square.
A and B?
Okay,
Sir, how can we take?
which one?
No, sir. Sir, in the first one, how
Okay,
can we
this
take
one. This one.
Then-
Okay, okay. See here. Okay, we'll solve. We'll see it. Okay, you'll see it. Okay, let's solve first. Okay, minus a plus b minus ab. Okay, this you are going to get. What is common here? A minus 1 plus 1 minute. We are taking first and third. Okay, 1 minute. We'll write first and third. I've taken different. Okay, first and third. So it will be a square minus ab minus a plus b or plus b minus a. That's up to you. Okay. Okay, do that. Let's do that one. Plus b minus a. We have rewritten it. We have rearranged the terms. What is common? A is common. A minus b. Okay. Now, 1 minute plus here. Can we get a minus b here as well? It is plus
Yes, sir, by
b
taking
minus
minus
a.
1.
Minus, okay. A minus b minus a minus b. Okay. Can you see now? Common is there. A
Yes,
minus
sir.
b we take out. Here a and here a minus 1. 1 into a minus b. Understood now how we can take b minus a? So this way. Okay, now try this one. What we have, a square minus a you have taken plus b minus ab. Okay, a common, a minus 1 plus b 1 minus a. It means minus we have to take outside. A into a minus 1 minus b a minus 1. This time a minus b a minus 1 you can write first or that one, no issues. Understood? You can group. Which groups are not possible? First and second, third and fourth. That group won't be possible. Okay, if we group them, grouping is possible, but we won't be able to factorize them. We won't be able to factorize them. Is this clear? Okay, try next one. 11th question you try once. Sometimes it happens if you are not able to get anything, solve it. Multiply them. Then, so more terms you will have. Now check whether you are getting. So last one you try, then you are free. 11th one everyone try. So what should we do in 11th first? We have studied expansions as well. Should we expand them? Each of the term which should we expand? It's a plus
Yes,
b the whole square, a minus something like that. X. Okay. So expand them first. Ax plus by the whole square plus bx minus ay bx minus ay the whole square. Expand what we are getting. A square x square plus b square y square plus 2ab means 2ab xy plus b square x square plus a square y square minus 2ab xy. So anything getting cancelled? This plus 0, it will be 0. They are not cancelling, their sum is 0. Their sum is 0. So what are you getting? A square x square plus b square y square plus b square x square plus a square y square. Can you group first two and last two? Can we group them or something else we should group? If you group first two, nothing is common, nothing is common. So which one should we group? Either first and third.
Sir, anyone.
Okay, see here, either first and third or first or fourth. Okay, so I'm using with blue, one group I'm showing with blue. Okay, either we can group these two and these two. Okay, or we can group these two because x square is common, or these two, y square is common. Okay, you will get the answer. Solve them. Solve them. If you are grouping, okay, green one I'm grouping. A square, so what is common in this? It is a square x square plus b square x square plus b square y square plus a square y square. Okay, x square common, a square plus b square plus y square, again a square plus b square. So a square plus b square, x square plus y square. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so till 11th we have solved. Okay, remember it. Okay, 11th we have solved up to 11th. Okay, so whenever we meet next time, we'll solve the rest. Okay, so after examination, I'll start giving some portion as homework as well. Some same questions we'll be doing as homework. Okay, so be attentive in class, be present in class. Okay, so anything, any trouble you face, do text me on WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, Pratibha, which question it was 9th B? You can ask now. Any doubt you have?
Second question.
Second question in the following figure. Okay, two figures are. Which part? Second question, in the following triangles ABCD
First.
is a square. Yes. First one, okay. ABCD is a square. APB is an equilateral triangle.
Sir, how can we get these kind of question in exam? MCQs.
Okay. These kind of questions. Okay, do one thing. You practice them a lot as you are getting in subjective papers. Okay. If you are able to do that way, you'll be able to solve in examination. Okay. Okay. So solve
Yes.
them as you do in subjective paper. Okay. If you are able to do there, you will be able to mark the right option in there as well. Okay. So here is the figure given. In the following diagram, ABCD is a square. Okay. We are having ABCD is a square. It means all the four sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degree. Okay. Now APB is an equilateral triangle. So it means this side equal to this side equal to this side equal to this side as well these sides. Okay. All the sides will be equal. APB. Okay. Now we have to prove triangle APD. APD. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. APD and BPC. Okay. This is first triangle. This is second triangle. We have to prove triangle APD congruent to triangle BPC. These two triangles are congruent. So can you tell me how we can prove them to be congruent? What we require?
Sir, sir, AD equal to BC.
AD equal to BC. Why?
Because it is the side of square.
Sides of a square. Okay. Sides of a square. Okay. One more.
AP is equals to BP.
AP
equal to BP.
equal to AP equal to BP because these are sides of equilateral triangle. Sides of equilateral triangle. Okay. One more we require. This side we can't take. One angle we have to take. How to take?
Sir,
Triangle
DAP
DAP.
is equals to angle
Okay.
CBP.
Okay. So this angle you are taking. Why? Why they are equal?
Sir, because they are also square and APB is an
Yes.
equilateral triangle.
So see here, this whole angle is how much? 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And this one angle is how much? This much angle. 60 degree equilateral triangle. So this angle will be how much? 30 degree. Similarly here, 60 degree, 90. So this will be how much? 30 degree. So these two angles equal to 30 degree. Therefore, which theorem? SAS. By SAS theorem, these two triangles are SAS theorem, these two triangles are congruent. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. Okay. Now find the angles of triangle DPC. We have to find the angles of this triangle. How to find? DPC. See here, we have all, what kind of triangle it will be? It will be also isosceles triangle. This side will be equal to this side. This side will be equal to this side. Okay. But we have to find the angles. How to find the angles? See here, what kind of triangle is this? Equilateral triangle or not equilateral? Isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. If this is 30, these two angles you can easily calculate. You can easily calculate. It's an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So you can easily calculate these two angles. Okay. If you calculate this angle, you can get this angle 90 minus this angle. You can easily get this angle. This angle will be equal to this one. Now remaining angle you can calculate. Remaining angle you can easily calculate. 180 degree is the sum of all the three angles. Okay. So this is the triangle you are getting. DPC. These two are equal. It means this angle equal to this angle. And this angle you already found out. So 90 minus this angle will give this. This you have found. Now you can easily calculate this angle. Okay. It's fine now. Okay. Any more doubts you have, anyone? Okay. See here, every solution is available in videos. Okay. So you have to do the little bit work. I have uploaded every video. Even on 14th August, some issue was there in the video. I have removed that part and uploaded. Okay.